welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of September 2022.
Now that you finally got your stuff.
Yeah, I am sorry this is so late, but I had a little bit of problem getting my bag from Ipsy, which I will tell you in a little bit. But hello, if you are new to the channel, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. I do lots of makeup related things on my channel. I love makeup, and we do subscription box unboxings. I was trying to say unboxings and unbaggings at the same time. And I do the occasional cooking video, and I do occasionally talk about mental health. So
I'm occasionally obnoxious.
if you are into any of that, then I would love it if you would hit subscribe, tap that notification bell, set it to all so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So, yeah, I was supposed to get my Ipsy bag at the regular time, and when they said it was delivered, it was not delivered. So I think
it disappeared into the void.
It was either stolen or misdelivered, something like that.
Which are postal, they do that quite a bit.
But then my BoxyCharm went missing too. So then I started thinking more along the lines that things were getting stolen. So, but unlike BoxyCharm, Ipsy was nice enough to send along a replacement bag. And BoxyCharm was not nice enough to send a replacement box. But, so I just got my Ipsy bag the other day. And unfortunately, they did not send the items that they thought they were going to send. But they did send the item that I picked.
Oh,
so
that's good at least.
That was nice. So, I'm sure you have seen lots of Ipsy bag unbaggings, but this is what the bag looks like. It is very iridescently purple looking. It opens on the side, which I'm not a big fan of this month's bag. And it looks pink in the middle. It has this purple zipper pull here. And what do you think of the bag?
And it said,
okay. So you get 5 sample items. You get to pick one of your items. What we do is we play Ipsy versus Ipsy, where we put our bags up against each other just for fun. So yeah, I don't have a very good bag this month.
We rate each item in each bag according to 8 extremely scientific criteria.
Yeah.
It takes about 3 hours.
Okay.
Now we just kind of half-ass it.
Okay, so we take our products one by one, makeup, beats, skincare, and we just kind of wing it, really. And then you get to tell us in the comments whose bag you think won. So, okay, Aaron looks like
either shame or eternal glory for each of us.
Looks like Aaron got some add-on products too.
I did get some add-on products.
So let's go ahead and let's do the products that we got that are in the bag.
Sorry, what?
No, that we got the same.
Oh, okay. Did we have the?
This is the item that
they're
I
not
picked.
Exactly the same.
Oh, they're not.
Nope.
Well, they're brushes. Okay. And I got a LaRousse angled shading brush. That is what it looks like right there. Not too exciting. I don't usually use these kind of brushes, really. But, and what kind of brush is yours?
This is a Firma Beauty 204 wide blender brush.
Okay, so we count these as the same thing. So
all brushes are basically the same.
So we each get a point for these. Although I would be more likely to use this. Although I don't really like the shape of that one too much. But you probably get more use out of that.
Let me see that one for a second.
Do you want that one? It has little bumps on it, so it's pretty cool.
I kind of like the little bumps. I'll trade you.
You'll trade me?
If you like that one better.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
We do this sometimes. We trade items. Okay.
Sharing is caring.
Okay. So let's do makeup items
Okay.
next. So I only have one other makeup item, and I think this LCB right here means Lovecraft Beauty.
I've seen that.
I didn't get a card, and he did.
I'm still disappointed that this is not some sort of Cthulhu tie-in.
And the color I got is Dream Pop. I think it's a lip gloss, and I think I already have something very similar to it, so I'm not going to open it. So, what did you get?
I got the Basic Beauty lipstick in Fall For You.
Now, that was your choice item,
I think that
right?
was my choice item, yes.
Okay, that's really pretty. Okay.
Yeah.
I think you get the point for that one, definitely.
Okay.
So I'm probably going to throw this into a giveaway, unless you want it.
Nah, that's okay. I'll try this one out real quick.
Yeah, that's a real pretty color.
Not bad. I kind of like the stuff that I got in my bag this month.
Yeah.
Up next.
I like my October bag coming up. Okay. I got a skincare product, which is a really nice skincare product. It is the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. So it is 20 milliliter. So it's a pretty good sample size.
Cleanse you deep.
What do you have?
I have the Gold Satin MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. And I haven't really tried a lot of eye stuff before, so I think I'm going to try this one.
Okay. All right. What do you think?
Yours is bigger, so I think you win. You get more stuff.
Yours is... I'm trying to see how much product yours has. Yours is only full up to there.
Well, you definitely won that.
Mine is pretty full.
Yeah.
Mine's pretty full up to the top. Okay, I get a point for that.
I got scammed.
Okay, so we're tied 2-2 right now.
All right.
Okay, next I have from the Rerum Natura, the body cream, a warm and sweet orange moisturizer enhanced with aromatic notes of rosemary leaf.
Okay, and I have the Hemps with a Z, sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body butter.
See, I was supposed to get that.
Hydrate and refresh.
I want to smell yours. I'm not going to open mine. I want to try yours.
That smells pretty good.
Oh, I like that. I like the Hemp's brand. Oh, I can smell that pineapple.
Not bad. It's not too strong. You know?
Yeah, I like that.
Because it'd be easy for pineapple to be way too strong.
Yeah. So I think you get the point on that one.
Okay.
For sure.
We get 2 each now, right?
No, you're a point ahead.
Oh, was I?
3-2.
Okay.
And finally, I kind of like this. I like toner. I've got from... Is this the final thing? What's that?
That's an add-on.
Okay. I got Moplum Balancing Toner. I don't know.
I got the Sophia Plus Medel I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer.
Oh, you got a skin primer?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think that's a toss-up.
Yeah.
I think you win this time around. Really, I think it's hard. What do y'all think? Who do you think won?
It's so difficult to make these decisions.
I think because he got that nice lipstick that he won this round. So, because I didn't get anything all that nice.
I'm sorry.
Okay, let us know in the comments who you think won.
Let's look at my add-ons real quick.
Okay, let's see what Aaron got for add-ons.
Shades by Shan, little duo thing. It's kind of a peachy and
peachy looking,
and shimmery peachy. I got one of those brush cleaners that are the circle things that you swirl it in.
Yeah.
And I got 2 other lip things. Yeah, 2 others. I was just up for that. This one is the Complex Culture Pout Clout. This is one of those ones with the little magnets on it. That's kind of another similar, little lighter. Than that
More like a rosy tone.
Yeah.
Swatch it on your hand. No, not on the back of your hand.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you got some from Rare Beauty.
Yeah, it's rare. Empathy with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. Ooh, this has a weird shape.
Yeah, so it can lie flat.
Yeah.
Well, most lipstick stands up.
Yeah. Well, this is a lip balm. Colored, though. It's kind of an even lighter one. I kind of like that. I got all kinds of stuff to try out.
Oops. Oh, I like that Tatcha smell. It's got that distinct Tatcha smell.
Yeah.
So...
This one's kind of short, so I'm going to try this one on real quick.
Okay.
This is the lip balmy one.
That's the Rare Beauty.
Uh-huh. Empathy. It feels real comfy. Very moistury,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, I like it. Okay, so what did you think of the add-ons? Let us know everything that you are thinking down below.
Let us know everything you think that we need to know.
Yeah, okay. Let us know what you think of this bag. Did you get the Glam Bag? Have I been calling it the Glam Bag Plus? I mean to call it the Glam Bag. Did you get one of these
The
last
plain
month?
old Glam Bag.
Last month? I'm not getting a Glam Bag Plus anymore.
Yeah.
That's been a catastrophe. Okay.
Because they never send you the stuff that you want, so you're always getting the Glam Bag minus.
They did send me...
They sent you the thing you picked. Your choice.
Okay, the last Glam Bag Plus you may have watched, they didn't send me an item that I picked. They did send me a replacement item. It wasn't what I picked, but they did send me a replacement item. So Ipsy has been pretty good with their customer service for me. I don't know how they have been with other people, but so far, Ipsy customer service has been working a lot better than BoxyCharm customer service. Okay, so, we hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you have not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have stop making fun of me.
Oh, that'd be funny.
So that you can have a wonderful,
Did you say
fantastic
imitation
day.
is the sincerest form of flattery?
if you are having an especially hard time, we are thinking about you and sending you out all those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then.
I will see you at some point.
Okay, goodbye.